wonderful to be with you. Thank you. My word of the week is noise. We don't realize how noisy our world is until there is no noise. There's always planes, cars, trucks, construction, mowers, blowers making noise in our day. I always love to try when I am out walking in the morning to get up and get out before all the noise starts. Do you know what I hear then? I hear the birds, wonderful, wonderful birds. And then when I'm walking, I try to see how many different birds I can hear. My favorite bird is the owl. That's on our evening walk. When I am out and I'm listening to nature, this is the world I wish to hear, not the other stuff. When I'm walking and tuning into nature, my breath gets deeper and longer, and I can actually feel my body relax. And this is very, very healthy. And so an action item for this week, and it can be fun, and it may not happen the first time you go out for your walk, but when we're out walking, whatever time of day you choose, tune out as much as you can and tune in to nature. It could be a breeze. It could be the leaves rustling in the trees, the birds. What are the different type of birds? We have hawks and crows and bluebirds and blue jays and, as I shared before, my favorite owl. But they all have a voice in this world, and it is so beautiful to tune into that. And so it's very simple this week. My word of the week is noise. The N is for notice. Can we stop long enough to notice that there is a beautiful, beautiful world around us? And the O is for outside, because this is where we need to be as often as possible. The I is for intuition, because when we get quiet and we align with nature, we can tune into our intuition and our inner knowing. S is for silence. For many, quiet can be very uncomfortable. But if we practice in small moments, we will realize that we start craving the quiet, and we will look for more in our day and our week. And the E is for energy, because we are all energy. And when we can be in nature and flow with that natural energy, we will feel better. So let's tune out and tune in to nature. Have a wonderful week, everyone.
I know you can't get enough of Jean. Well, you can go to thetruthayf.com for more of Jean's Words of the Week.